In-hand rotation is one of our most natural motor skills. However, current VR controllers rely on wrist and arm movements to rotate virtual objects, leading to significant arm motion and fatigue. Therefore, we propose TwinSpin, a VR controller with two embedded mini trackballs manipulated by the thumb and index finger. It uses the intuitive metaphor of rolling a virtual ball between the fingers to achieve 3 degrees of freedom rotation. By using two trackballs, TwinSpin lets users experience the feeling of manipulating a single virtual ball between their fingers. Building on this idea, we assign pitch and roll to the thumb's trackball, and pitch and yaw to the index finger's trackball, enabling full 3 DOF rotation. With TwinSpin, users can maintain a power grip on the controller while taking advantage of finger dexterity for efficient rotation tasks. To evaluate the benefits of TwinSpin, we compared it with arm-based techniques in a docking task involving both direct and distant object manipulation scenarios. Our evaluation showed that TwinSpin significantly reduced arm movement and task time compared to conventional arm-based techniques. Moreover, participants consistently reported lower perceived physical demand, effort, and less perceived fatigue in the wrist, arm, and shoulder. We also take a closer look at how users control translation and rotation at the same time, and what the rotation trajectories look like, to better understand how people use TwinSpin. For more information, please see our paper.